Ito pala yung Rhode Island Red, no, yung pangatlong batch na nabili namin ng mga manok. Then yan, nilagay ko sila sa maliit na box. Then yun nga, mga after 1 to 2 weeks, ano na sila, panay na they're starting to hop outside the small box. And I transferred them to a bigger box. Ganun pa din, labas ng labas. Kaya ayan, napagdesisyonan ko na ilabas na lang sila. Yan. They're already on that bigger box. Pero nandyan yan noon sa loob ng bahay. Pero yun nga, they're still hopping outside. Kaya ayan, nilabas ko na lang. And tried to integrate them into the coop. Ganyan sila. So most of the time, they just stay inside the box. But if they know that the bigger hens are outside, when I free range the bigger ones, lumalabas sila sa box, ganyan. So yun, nakakaawa din kasi pag nasa box lang sila, panay tingin sa bintana, kaya yan. So they're slowly integrating with the bigger hens.